Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on resetting the navigation settings on the Nissan Qashqai. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Learn how to easily reset the navigation settings back to default on the Nissan Qashqai. Tap Settings in the bottom right of the infotainment screen. Then choose Navigation from the options. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the navigation settings and select Reset all navigation settings to default. Tap Yes on the pop-up to return all settings to their defaults. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nissan Qashqai tips and tricks.